right, first thing, let's get Qwikly downloaded and installed. So to do that, come to getqwikly.com, click on any of the download buttons, add in your name and email, and then when you click on the download Qwikly button, it'll download a zip file to your computer. So after you've downloaded Qwikly, you'll just want to unarchive it. And then you'll move the Qwikly beta application into the applications folder. Before you get going with Qwikly, you'll also need to download a few other pieces of software. The first is Sketch, the design tool. We love it. So you can come up here to sketchapp.com. We'll put the link down below as well so you have it. You don't have to buy it. You should be able to download a free trial to get started. The next thing you'll need to do is install Xcode from Mac's App Store. So you can open up the App Store app on your computer, come up here and search for Xcode. You'll see it right here. It'll be the first result. You should be able to click on it. And for me, I have it installed already, but for you, it'll say install. It's a free installation. This comes from Apple. Do note, however, it is a pretty large install, so this might take a little while before you can kind of get up and running. We do apologize for that, but you do need these tools to be able to generate applications for iOS. So now we have everything installed, but how do we create a project with Qwikly? First off, make sure to launch the Qwikly application. The first time you launch Qwikly, it may take a few extra seconds to verify. Qwikly is a menu bar application. There are a few links out to our documentation and support sites, and some preferences that you can set, as well as creating a new project with one of our templates. You have the ability to enable Qwikly for an existing design, but this tutorial will cover starting from one of these templates. Let's go ahead and create our new project right now. You will be presented with a few templates to get you started. Qwikly templates are a way to package up a sketch design with Qwikly features like interactions. We will pick the Hello World template and give a name of Hello World and save it. This should open up Sketch and toggle the Qwikly toolbar. The toolbar is broken up into various panels, but for now, let's go ahead and run our project. You'll notice that we provide you some feedback as to what is going on. The first time you run this, it will take longer as the iOS simulator needs some time to boot up properly. The iOS simulator is something that gets packaged with Xcode. It is a program that exists on your computer that mimics an iPhone. Everything should be laid out as you see it in the design. Clicking on the button will also show a little alert. Let's add a new artboard to represent a second scene and add some new layers to add a push and pop transition. I'll start off by adding a new rectangle. This will act as our new button and give it a gradient fill. I'll rename this New Button. Next, I'll add a new artboard and rename it Second Scene. I'll also add a text layer that will serve as our back button. Then, I'll click on the New Button layer. You should notice that a few of the buttons in the Qwikly toolbar are now enabled. As a side note, if you'd like to see what a certain panel does, you can click on the Help panel at the bottom. It will show relevant information based on what panel you've selected. Let's click on the Interactions panel and add a tap interaction that will be a push transition to the second scene. Then, let's click on the back text layer on the second scene and add a tap interaction that will be a pop transition. Let's rerun our app to see our changes. We have our new button that brings us to our second scene, and clicking on the back button should take you back to your initial scene. That's how you get up to speed with Qwikly, and I hope this quick start was helpful for you. We're really excited to see what you can make. Thank you.